Hello, my name is Alessandra. This is my project. Apologies for my English. My project, a website, is basically an online version of my CV, of my resume. So it's divided in a first page, home page with a short description about me. Then I have a page of work history, page education, page skills and languages, and a page other interests. First of all, let's look at the requirements of the website. One of the first requirements was for it to fully validate. So I will show you that each page fully validates. So I'll go to page source, select everything, copy, and then I go to the validator, select everything, paste, check. The first page validates completely. So let's go to the second page. Again, view page source, select everything, copy, paste, check, it validates again. Third page, copy, paste, and again it validates. Fourth page, copy, paste, it validates again, and the last one, okay, there it is, source, select everything, copy, and paste, and check. Okay, I've showed you that everything validates. So let's see responsiveness. This is the desktop view. The first page has a carousel with 3 images. Second page, work history, education, skills and languages, and other interests. Let's go to mobile view. So as you can see, the home page loses the carousel. There's the drop down navigation button, and here are all the links that were in the navbar. The picture goes to the bottom, and the content in the footer goes to one on top of the other, so goes over 3 lines. Let's see the other pages. As you can see, the subheadings in here are centered. In the education page, it happens exactly the same. In the skills and languages page, we lose some of the content again. So there were short descriptions underneath the skills, and there were the flags underneath the languages. Now in mobile, this is just a list of skills and languages, so we lose that bit of content. And in other interests, everything goes on top of the other, so the 4 divs containing heading, image and content are one on top of the other. Let's go back to desktop view to show you some styling. Now I've set everything on one font family as a precise choice. I didn't want the look of the website to be too messy using different font families, so everything is in Helvetica. Some of the styles effect I've used are overing effects, so there's an opacity in here. This image is the brand navbar image. There are other over effect on the navbar, so changes the background color and the color of the font. I've added over effects in the footer as well. I've used a class from Bootstrap to make this image a circle. I've styled the carousel as well. Changed the image that shows it better. So I've styled this background with some opacity to make the content in here stand out more. And I've used border radius to style this box. I've added some hover effect also in here, so the dates on the work history change color when you hover over them. Same in the education page, same happens in here, same happens in here, and here to show the languages I added some images too. And in other interests in this page, I've added again over effect on the headings and over effect on the images too. So there's an opacity. Now I'll show you my CSS just to show you how long it is. I put some work on it, so there's general stylings. I've commented so that it's divided up in sections, so it would be easier to find the styling of the various parts. So this is all general styling for everything. Then this applies only for the mobile view. This is to make the drop-down button in the navbar appear also on tablet. I found this code from this website. Then tablet view, these apply only for tablet view, and then that's the desktop view. Let's go back to the website. I'll show you my extras. So we were requested to add a few extras. Well, of course, I have the carousel. I've added a fixed navbar, so as I scroll the content, the navbar stays where it is. I've used Font Awesome to add the 4 icons at the bottom of the footer. I'll show you the link to Font Awesome in the editor, and as you can see here is the link di font awesome CDN. Another extra I've added is the sticky footer. Of course, basically all my pages are long enough so it doesn't you can't appreciate really the sticky footer as is, but if I go to inspect element and get rid of some copy like this and I close, as you can see the footer stays where it is. So just reload the page so it goes back to normal. And of course the last extra is the tablet view. There it is, the tablet view. So as you can see in the pages where I put the content into 4 columns, now the content is divided into 2 different columns using the Bootstrap classes. So there, this page, and then skills and languages again. Tablet view has as much content as the desktop view, so we don't lose any content in here. Education and work history, these were pretty plain, just text. And then the first page, home page, about me, pretty much the same. The carousel stays in the tablet view. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed my project. Thank you very much.